going on YouTube? We got here HP Slate 7, and again gonna be fixing the charger port. Made a video in the past where I fixed it, but I ended up I soldered a piece of I soldered a new port, micro USB port, right onto this piece here, and since then my son has broke it. Both of my kids had one of these, but one of them had a broken screen, so I took this part out, put it in here, and my son broke it again. So here I am fixing it for like the 4th time. And when we first got these, like within like a couple of weeks, both of them had became broken, and we sent them back to HP under warranty, and they sent us new ones. So this is literally like the 4th time fixing this, and so that's what it is. Let's get to started. All right, this particular tablet, you got T4 torque screws in here. Use this to put my screws in. All right, so got that. Use this to kind of help pry this out here. This back piece just kind of comes off. Alright. And now we just got numbers of screws in here. So here's the piece I need to get to, right here. So I'm gonna have to lift up this battery to get this out. So I'm gonna have to take these batteries out of the screws out of the battery. I'm sorry. Nice to have a pair of tweezers. Drop something down in here. Okay. Another screw here. You can see right here, you can just flip this up. I mean, you can easily do it with your fingernail. All right, so that little black piece is flipped up, and you can pull your ribbon cable out just like that. And go ahead and pull this up. Got my battery. My battery is out. So that's my old piece. Old piece, new piece. All right. Looks like it's a little bit differences there, but oh yeah, by the way, I bought this on Amazon for $22. Now, the more rare your tablet is, this is an HP Slate 7. There wasn't a whole lot of these, so they wasn't wildly popular. If you had a little bit more popular tablet, you probably find these spare parts cheaper. But anyway, this was $22. Before, when I just replaced the micro USB part, it was only $5, but you had to do some work, some extra work, and you know, it just didn't last very long. I'm thinking because my son's just gonna break these really fast no matter what I do. But go ahead and try to get this replaced. Let's try to bend this up a little bit. Alright, so I got that in place. Okay. Just gonna reuse this foil tape here, if I can. You go ahead and put this in here, and you just basically want to slide it in. Make sure it's not, sideways. Make sure it's straight, because what you want is all the little small pins that come in contact. So I can feel it. It's fully pushed in there. So I'll just push that down. It's real easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this tape piece back on there. And I don't know if I'm gonna get this off. Put a little piece here. All right. So now all I gotta do is put the screws back in. Okay. Almost done. Alright, got that. Now back plate. Snap this back on like so. Alright. Let's see, where's my T4? Magnetized real nicely. There's one. And there's two. Alright. And that's it. Let's see if I can try and test it. Yep. Alright, time to test. Might be wise to test this before you put it back together, but pretty confident it's gonna work just fine. So here we are, plugged in. And there we go. It's working. And that's it.